perfect toe, Play-Doh, Snow-Low, Honcho, play Nintendo, and a scroll. Can't hit my knuckleball. Speaking French in Montreal.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to all my Drama Llama gamers, welcome back. Let's jump right back into Planet Crafter and let's see where we left off. So yesterday we finished bringing everything up to tier 2. Oh, we had one left there. So what were we going to do today? So did we make the solar panels tier 2? Yes, we did. Okay. And we made the heaters tier 2. So let's do the communication antenna. Silicon, titanium, iron and aluminium. So silicon, titanium, iron and aluminium I already took. So let's put it we'll put it on the ground for now. When we have a bigger base, we'll put it on the base. So now we can put the communication. Do we already have it? No. Oh, so wait. Wait. We have to take out the plants. We'll put it back here. For now we'll do it like this. Afterwards we will make it the veggie tubes tier 3. But we need another table, so we need 2 more iron. So 1, 2. Let's put a table there. Oh, table, yes. Oh, tier 3 drills. Okay, so blueprint we have. So iron, 2 silicons and a magnesium. So iron, 2 silicons and a magnesium. And let's put down that. So, message from Sentinel Core. This is an automated message to convict GP8971L. You have chosen to have your sentence commuted to an extradition. To get all the charges against you dropped, you must fulfill terraforming this planet. Our sensors will periodically, difficult word, scan your progress and send you the required blueprints. Do not try to contact Sentinel Core. If our sensors do not detect any advancement in the terraformation progress, you will be considered missing and the charges will not be dropped. You cannot claim ownership or value over anything on the planet. Oh my god, I have to do all this work and nothing will be mine. You are only allowed to use the resources found on the planet to increase the terraformation index. You are not allowed to leave the planet until the terraformation is completed. Year 3058. Okay, so we are a prisoner and we have nothing. That's awesome. So, let's start with the veggie tubes. So we need water, 2 silicon. What's the difference between... Oh, we need aluminum, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plants. We're going to wait with the veggie tubes. Yes, we're going to wait. Let's see the drills. The last one were iron to titanium. So we need one, also aluminum. So when will we unlock the mine? Ore extractor 155. Pooh, that's a long way away. Okay, so let's first, or we can do, let's do what we can and not so let's see, we can take this out and we can take this out and we can remove this, we can take all these, and let's start by building new lockers. So this one is gonna be seeds and flowers. Okay, so seed, we don't have flowers anymore. So next up is let's put one down. Yes, so we'll put in this and the fabric. So let's break down this one. Let's, yeah, okay, so this one is gonna be miscellaneous, so those, and this is gonna be aluminium. Yes. Oh, let's put in the aluminium. This can go into, let's drink some water into that one. Let's let's first break down that one. How am I going to put them? Am I going to put them like this? So we have a row like this, and this will be cobalt. Okay. Next we need some more iron. Okay. The next one is magnesium and silicon. So let's put down this one and this one. So magnesium and silicon. Okay, so let's pick up all the magnesium. That's not everything, but we will come back to it. Okay. Now let's pick up all the silicon. Okay. Let's put away all the silicon and all the magnesium. Now the next one is going to be titanium. Oh, I should have put down the wardrobe first. So this is going to be titanium. This is going to be iron. And this is going to be... So wait, we have to go around now. So this one I'm gonna take out, and this is not gonna be aluminium, it's gonna be food. And here is the iron gonna start. Oh, this one is not in the correct place. Let's see, can we, damn, it's just too small. So we need iron We need magnesium. Magnesium. And titanium. Titanium. Okay, so let's put in the titanium. Let's put, the iron. Oh no, we're using it. So we still need, oh, it's loud, it's loud. So let's put down here, and this will be aluminium. No, didn't we? Aluminium. No, we took it out of the chest. So aluminium is going to go here. Titanium. Oh no, we have to. Why don't you? That's strange. It doesn't want to take. Aha. Okay. So maybe this one we're gonna put down. Let's turn it. Like this, and we'll take this one and we'll put this locker here and another one. Oh, we were missing one, so let's put in magnesium, iron, and titanium. And aluminium. Yes, so aluminium. So take out all the food. Okay, let's put in the food. And let's make one more. Like this. And this is going to be for uranium and iridium. I think that's written correctly. I'm not sure. So now we can walk through here and walk through here. So that's better. And this one can become something else because, whoa, noisy. Let's go and see if there is stuff in there that we can use. Where did they fall? There's one. Whoa! Oh, there's aluminium in there. Oh, I was hit. Oh, I was hit. Oh no. I hope I'm not gonna be hit one more time, because then I will die. Did I bring food? Yes. Okay. Whoa, one more there. Aha, here is this good stuff. The things I need. Let's pick up everything we can. So Oh, oh, that's not bad. Let's just pick it up. Oh. Okay. Oh, the noise died down. Grateful for my ears. Okay, let's pick up as much as we can. Inventory full. Let's run back. And let's fill our lockers. Yes, I know. We're almost back at base. And we're back at base. So let's see. Nope. Aluminium. Oh, we got 3 aluminiums. So 1, 2, 3. Iron. Yes, so we got iron. Magnesium. Yes, we got 3 magnesiums. Cobalt. Yes. Oh, I got 2 lockers with magnesium. And which one do I don't I have? Cobalt, magnesium, silicon, aluminium, titanium, iron. I think I have everything. We'll see. So iron we already did. Let's do magnesium, silicon. Whoa, that's a lot of silicon. And titanium. Okay, let's run back out and see what else was dropped so we can pick it up, so we can fill our storage containers. Let's also pick up some ice because we'll need to drink. Okay, isn't there some loose? Yes, here is the loose things that fell down. Okay, is that all that came from the skies? I was hoping there was more titanium that came down. Let's just take everything with us and let's run back. So let's see how much we can fill up our big. Oh, here there was still some things that fell out of the sky. Let's see how much we can fill up our lockers, our new lockers, and then we will continue to build. Let's go and we'll start off with titanium. Yes. Aluminium. Did we get? No. Did we get? No. Iron. Only 1. Oh yes, we did get 2. Oh, this is nothing. Silicon. Yes. Magnesium. Yes. And cobalt. And we are going to food and miscellaneous and seeds and plants. Oh, this is not for miscellaneous. This is gonna go into food, and the ice is also gonna go into food. So let's drink some water, let's eat some food, and now let's. How many titaniums do I have? Aluminium, sorry. So we have 8 aluminiums, and we had how many flowers? So I'm not gonna do this one. This one we're gonna take out. I'm gonna put this in with this one. Okay, so let's see. How much is oxygen? 17.28. Wait one moment, because I am always forgetting. So it was 17.28. Okay, so let's go and take out all the flowers. Yes. Oh, this one is already empty. Oh my god. It really scares me, you guys. Don't laugh at me. Okay, you can laugh at me. Let's see, we have a new message from Sentinel Core. Your planet specifications. The identification is unnamed. So, what are we gonna name this planet? We're gonna name it... let's walk outside. Let's see... I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you find a name. The corporation ownership it's unclaimed, so now I think it's Sentinel Corp's. Habitation level null. Section Ezekiel Prime. History unknown. Planet unnamed is located in the Ezekiel Prime sector, a pre-civilization sector crossed mostly by trade ships traveling between big space ports. The sector has 842 planets, 13,511 stars, and is 7,000 parsecs wide. The planet has been identified as a possible candidate for further colonization. Okay. So now we know this. I didn't think it was important, but if they thought it was important... Oh, whoops. So we have to make water of all of them. Oh. Okay, and we'll have to put some things into storage. So we'll put it in with the seeds. And let's pick up the rest. Yes. Okay, let's transform this in water too. Okay, that's it. So now for the... so we need silicon, magnesium, aluminium. Aluminium. Let's take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So let's go outside and let's place down a vacuum tube. Silicon and magnesium. So we'll take out all of this. Yes. Oh. It's not gonna work because we don't have enough water, I think. And now we need to go get some more silicon and water. How much? 3 more, so 6 more silicon and 3 more water. So silicon. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was 4. Let's see. 4. So 8. No, 3. So we can put back 1 magnesium. And we need, let's take 2, 3 more waters. I think that's it. There we go. So now let's take the waters out of here. It can go back into the food. And now let's take out, let's see, 150, 150, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know, did I put 6 or 7 now? So let's put in the big ones first. Okay. Okay, and we have one left. So I'll put that back into the flowers and seeds. And we'll put all the iron, I'm sorry, in here. So, okay, we had 17.28 and now oxygen is at 178. Woo, that's 100 times more. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Do we have another thing? Yes, this. But we need aluminium. And you cannot get aluminium before we get the ore extractor, and we need pressure. We're gonna go and see in the aluminium biome, not biodome, biome, if we can find some more aluminium. Aluminum. Sorry. Oh, this is all just laying around. Let's. Oh, there one. There was one. Let's go and. Oh, there is a chest. Maybe there is aluminum in there. Aluminium. Oh, yes, it is. There is. Let's leave the rest in there. I'm just looking for aluminium. Oh, there is a secret here. Ooh. Yes. Yes, sir. Let's jump up. Ooh, we got some goodies. Let's get some air. We got some nice goodies. Let's... How many? Okay. Let's... Oh, there's... That chest we did look at already. Oh, the tier 3 heaters. Unlocked. But I don't think we can build them. Yes, we can build one because we have the rod. But we need aluminium. Yes, here is some aluminium. You can't see it very well because this biome changes the color of everything. Yes, one more. No cobalt and titanium. And you can see very well when there is something on the ground because of the color of this biome. Okay. No, 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 no aluminum. Sorry. Oh! Oh yeah, we can make food. Oh, aluminum. Of course. Of course! Why not? Oh, did I bring... No. Uh-oh. Let me just look fast, fast, fast. Turn around and run back. Run, 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 run to get air. Run, 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 run. Uh-oh, yes, yes, I know. Don't. Please don't die. Run, 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 run. We're almost there. No, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. No, guys. No. No, 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 no. Dang. Dang. Oh, Why are you walking out of the door? So I still want to see if we can find a little more aluminium or aluminum. Aluminium. No. So let's just walk back to base, and let's see how much money did we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can do 3 and 4 of each, but we only have 1 rod. So but now we got the machine to make the rods. We just unlocked that machine, so we can make more rods. But then we have to go and find iridium, yes. And we have to go and find iridium. But we still have iridium in that cave there, so maybe, just maybe we can go and get some. But we will start off by building 1. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, so oh no. It's not smart. I have to pass through there. Let's put it in on this side. Let's go and drink. Let's eat something. Let's drink something. Do I have iron on me? Yes, and I need more. No. No. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here. Need one more of this. And let's build one there. So we can. This heater can go bye-bye. These heaters can stay because I'm gonna break them down afterwards. So we got the advanced crafting. Oh my god, of course it takes aluminium, but we need it. So 1 titanium, let's put this here. So we oh boy, let's take a titanium. Did you see it? We can make a new backpack, and we have enough super alloys. So of course, look at this. What else can we make? Oh, we cannot make the tier 4 yet because we don't have the tier 3 oxygen tank. Uranium rod, iridium rod, rockets, oh, and a jetpack. Oh, all future music. Let's take one more and one more, and let's build. And let's take this and put it. Where is it? Here. Let's put this here. Oh, grass spreader. What? So I didn't check the heat, but it's going up. So now let's see for the pressure. And the pressure. So the tier 3 drills. Oh, we need 2 aluminium, and we have 3 left, so we can place down 1 drill. We'll break down 1, so we need 1 more iron, So let's take 1 iron with us. Slowly but surely we will replace all of them for better ones. Okay, but for now let's do this. Oh, and the power is still on. Oh, forgot to watch for the pressure. Do you guys remember? Because we were standing in front of it, but I need to make a habit of it. So the pressure is still not going up very fast, but it's a little better. Okay. So let's go and find some iridium. Let's take 2 cobalt. Oh, I still have 2 cobalt in my hands. Let's make an oxygen tank. Let's make oh, I can make the tier 3 iron, titanium, silicon. So iron, titanium, silicon, and what else do I need? Iron and magnesium. Didn't I take one? No. Iron and magnesium. Yes. So let's make that because that's important to have. Okay. Also, let's see, what did we need for the 4? Oh, super alloy and cobalt. Okay. I know where I can find super alloy. So let's do that first. Let's go and get ourselves some super alloy so we can make the better. What were we making? Oxygen tank. So now it's 280. Let's see what we can do to make it bigger. I know in this labyrinth there are super alloys. But did I bring? Yes, I did bring food. I brought water. Let's see, another food. I'm gonna take these 2 because they're special. Oh, why was it magnesium? Oh. Why is it so dark in here? Okay, another box. Ooh, water and food and aluminium. Ooh, aluminium. Yeah, it's always fun to come here, but also scary. Oh, let's take everything to make a breathable space. Oh, itchy. So we need 1, 2 of them. We need a silicon. Oh, silicon. And we need 3 iron. We have 1. So 2 and 3. Ooh, aluminum. No, we don't need iron anymore. Not now. Now we're on the hunt for super alloy and... Is there? No, that's not a super alloy. They are on top of there somewhere. Ooh, another aluminium. Okay. We have to go deeper in the maze. We came out of it. We have to go to the middle so we can get on top of here. On top of there. Let's jump. Let's I always get turned around here. Yes, 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 we are here in the middle. Okay, let's go to the closest. Yes, I know. I'm gonna build here. To the other side. And let's go in. Okay. Let's go and find some more iron. Ooh, aluminium. We need iron. 1, no, 2, and 3. Let's go and make storage locker. Oh my god. Ooh, a launch platform so we can launch some rockets. So let's put everything in here because wonderful things he does. We have to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because the wonderful things he does. Sorry. Let's eliminate. Okay. Let's eat some food. Ooh, bean seeds. That's early in the game that I got bean seeds. Ooh, those are the best seeds to grow food from. No. Oh, another bean seed. Ooh. Okay, we can have to come back when we can deconstruct them. Okay, that's all for now. Yes, and let's take this one. We have 300 seeds that are 300, but no, for now we're not looking for that. We are gonna come back, but for now we are looking for super alloy. Nothing else but super alloy. So we can build the next tier of everything. Because it's just, there will be just enough in the wild, as you say. No! Oh, God! Shh. Isa. Where is... Okay. That was not good. I was pushing the limits too far. I broke my leg, so no. I fell, you heard it snap, and he's just running as if nothing happened. Let's eat some food because we fell. Let's drink. Let's take some oxygen on the road. For on the road. Because we're going to need it. Let's leave these for now, because we came for this and we came for this. We can take one more thing with us. We will take the golden seed with us. Okay, now to find our way out of this mess or maze. Let's keep to the left. To the left. And now let's go to the right. And to the left. Whoa. And we're coming out. And where are we coming out? Whoa. Yes, that's... Oh, yeah, we did it. This is the first time I navigated the maze and didn't get stuck. That's great. So, okay, let's go and bring everything back. Oh, there is our base. I was focusing on those rocks there, but my base is not there. It's a little to the right. Okay. So now you know there are golden chests with golden seeds in there. So let's take... No, we had this one wasn't that good. So let's take this one out. Oh, my inventory is full. Whoops. Let's just go and put this in here. Oh, there's some more in here. Super alloy in the miscellaneous together with these and the seeds in here. This one in here. This can go in here. Food. Yes, and let's see what this is gonna bring in. New blueprint received screen mapping. Okay. Aerial lamp. Okay. So what were we going to build? We have to. So the launching platform is for next game when we can make more super alloy. It's not for now. We have to still make more drills and make more heaters. Let's see what we have. What's the slowest? The pressure is only at 30.12. So let's see what we need for the next drills. So one more iron and 2 aluminium. So let's see, aluminum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's still 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go and let's check it out. Whoa, this is a sandstorm. Okay. So let's 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's build these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there was some ores that we dropped there to make the next one, I think. Yes, let's see if we can make one more. Yes. Do we still have power? Nice. So let's see, it was at 3012. How much is the pressure at now? Ooh, look at that terraformation index in the right corner going up. It was at 3012 and now it's 123, so almost 100 more. And now the only thing that we need to do is the heat. So let's see. Yes, so let's go and find some iridium to make rods. Whoa. Ooh, a biodome. But those, all the things that are for like the grass spreader and the biodome, that's for the next episode. So this episode is gonna be try to upgrade as much as we can. Oh, let's take some oxygen so I can stay a little longer there to search for everything? No? Yes. So let's take one will be enough. Yes, and let's drink. I cannot wait for the water collector, so we don't need to turn ice into water, but okay. Maybe in the end I want to make a museum with all the things that we had to build over time. Oh, a new message. So when we're done here, picking up whatever we can, we will go back, read the message, and that will be make a heater if we can, and that will be it for today. Okay. I will be so glad. Yeah, but now I'm not. I would love to take the aluminum. Oh, I need them for the heaters. Oh, I cannot ignore them. I need them. Otherwise, I cannot build the heaters. I was thinking like, oh, I would love them because I need them for the new buildings, but I need iridium more, but no, I need both of them. Okay. Jump, boom, jump. Oh, aluminum. Okay. Oh, there's one there. One here. Okay. Oh, come on. But we have to have more iridium than aluminum because we need 9 for one rod. So, oh, we have how many aluminums? We have 4. That's enough. That's enough. We don't have enough to make 4 rods, so that's enough for today. And this one is gonna melt also at 500 NK, and we're at 500 KT. Pinning. I never made those chips. I know. So let's take the oxygen. Let's take one more. And we can run back. Oh, there's still a lot. So maybe we can run back one more time. Ooh, to get some more. But we'll see. Excuse me. Let's run back to base. And let's make some rods. Okay, enter here. Let's go here. 3. I'm missing 3, but I'm gonna put it back over here. There's a table. Because I'm gonna eliminate them. And now I can make one more. And I can build them here, and they're not gonna disturb anybody. So, okay, we have 3, and oh, I forgot to look, but the heat is now at 138, and I think it was around 32, 32 or something. So the terraforming is going very fast, and we are going to unlock the drill, almost gonna unlock the drill. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you have anything to add or questions or things I can do, leave them down in the comments. If you liked watching my video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you are coming back, if this is your second time or third time or more, please don't forget to subscribe. It's free and I would love it. Bye, guys.